So basically, computer vision helps with understanding both qualitative and quantitative characteristics in photo. To say simply, qualitative is about numbers, like things you can count or measure. Qualitative is about qualities like things you can see, describe, or judge, like color and shade or texture, something like that. So what does all this mean? Let's take a simple example just to demonstrate it in a more practical way. So, example from the plant nursery. You are taking the photo of your plant tray and processing it through AI system, and as a result, you might get a report like there are 224 seedlings in the tray with a total germination rate of 93%. So you see many numbers which are relevant and you can make further decisions based on them. This means the AI system has checked every cell in the tray and determined whether a seedling is present or not. And if we think about qualitative characteristics, it's more about appearance of or condition, let's say. So things you can describe but not easily count, and it will be the same tray of seedlings. But AI might say the number of yellow seedlings is within the acceptable threshold. This means, in human language, this means that AI has analyzed the greenness of each seedling in each cell, and based on the color comparison, provided a summary of plant health. And this is the beauty of computer vision in this specific use case. It allows AI to analyze both kinds of information, quantitative and qualitative. So it can count how many plants are missing, it's quantitative, and it can evaluate how healthy they look based on leaf color and shape, it's qualitative. Drones can fly over large fields and capture hundreds of high-resolution images. Then, using AI and computer vision, those images are analyzed to detect problems, and problems, there is a variety of problems, such as unhealthy plants based on color or shape again, dry patches that may need more irrigation, pest or disease outbreaks that are spreading across the field. And instead of walking the entire field and checking everything by eye, the farmer gets a full health report from above, quickly, accurately, and without physical strain. And it's all about computer vision. So early detection means more targeted action, which saves time, money, and resources. It's not just about drones, because farm robots, it's another very popular example how computer vision is deployed on real level. Farm robots with cameras also use computer vision for a lot of things like detect and remove weeds, check plant growth, as well as harvest ripe produce, all without human supervision.